This is day one. We're finna leave to the Ozarks. This is the riding group plus Tristan, I think. And they're over there doing something. I'm not too sure.
Wait,
but yeah, we're just gonna
I thought the two Chads is riding with Jackson. Oh, hell yeah.
We're all packed up. We got our stuff in the back. Got me, Tristan, Marshall, JB, and Brian. That's the group for the road trip. We got an 8-hour drive ahead of us.
Hey,
yeah.
Look at all this blue collar shit that I did.
We'll update throughout the way. So we're actually turning around because Tristan forgot his clothes.
My bad, I was more worried about making.
In classic Tristan fashion, he wasn't prepared. So
no, I have everything. I was more worried about getting Brian.
Luckily, we didn't make it like too far, but
2 minutes away. But this is.
It's still aggravating.
This is just textbook Tristan, huh? Textbook Tristan.
Textbook Tristan. Super aggravating. We're back on the road after Tristan got his stuff. Marshall actually forgot his pillow and blanket too, so that worked out for him.
Which is all he brought, by the way.
And now we're headed to get ice, and we just passed
That's cool.
the gas station. So I'm confused on what the driver's thinking here. All the meat's gonna go bad, but I guess he has a plan. We're at our first stop. We're in Love's in like Redland or something, I think. And I just got my ice for the cooler. So
yeah, I can't even see myself. They're like a little cunt.
no, they said I should have stole it, but if I would have stole it, they sent some U.S. Marshals out in Arkansas because I stole a bag of ice.
No, Nick.
Keep cussing, dude. Just keep cussing. But I got a little breakfast bowl and a cream soda for the breakfast because we ain't had nothing. But yeah, it's we're well on our way. Well on our way. We are currently on the road. We're probably like 30 minutes in. We just stopped and checked our tires. We're having a philosophical conversation. Got pretty deep. Yeah. We are on the edge of Texarkana right now. We're finna stop at the Mac, but we're getting real close to Texarkana.
Like that.
Like that. Yeah. And there's a Lowe's gas station and stuff, but we just went through Atlanta, Texas, and we're gonna stop at McDonald's in Texarkana, and we'll probably just update you when we get there. We're about to hit Marshall. We're almost to Arkansas. We almost just don't.
Almost there. Like
No, we're almost to Arkansas, not to the Ozarks. We're over halfway to Arkansas.
We're not even in Texarkana.
Yeah, I know, but that's not like. No, we're not. Anyways, before I was so rudely interrupted, we're going through Marshall right now, and we are almost to Arkansas.
We're not. No, we are not.
We're headed to Arkansas.
Dude, we're right beside Dallas.
We're not right beside Dallas. We're closer to Tyler than Dallas. I just looked at the map.
Dallas is right there.
So I'm right. We just made it to McDonald's. We got Jackson's truck here. It looks just like Lufkin.
Bro, it's my butt. It's my butt.
It smells terrible though. Like really. It smells really bad. Sure. Now we're in the McDonald's and Jordan's complaining about food. Jordan's complaining about food as usual. Turns out it's like the worst run McDonald's ever. It actually sucks. It smells terrible here. They can't get orders out right. They've lost everything. But the food we do have is gas. It's super good, but still very, very poor. Just staff. Got the nugget and fries with Marshall and Brian. We're sharing.
God, that's hot.
Do it again.
I'll do it again.
Do it one more time.
Where's my lip now?
This what shit?
Oh, wait. No, yeah, from now I had a lip.
Hey.
Okay.
We're now out of.
Sorry.
Oh, I got that on video.
What?
We just got out of McDonald's and I got my twink drink. It was good food, but like terrible service. It was so bad. But we're now well on our way to Arkansas. We're leaving Texarkana. We're not quite in Arkansas. I don't think we're quite in Arkansas, but we're getting there. We're in Arkansas, officially in Arkansas. We're about 5 hours out from the campground. Campground, yeah, we're coming up on Little Rock and we're experiencing some of our first beautiful scenes and stuff. It's really pretty out here. It's really pretty. There's some boats. Feels nice outside. We're just
Nowhere. I can't swim, nigga.
super pretty.
Wait,
We're about to perform a mid-drive driver
We
switch.
buckle up back here. Yeah, we
They are going to switch while driving. We're
We're gonna buckle up.
either about to film.
Yeah, wait. See, I can film it.
Like this. Is it good? Centered?
Perfect.
Poor, I'd buckle up.
No.
I'm buckled up.
Yes.
I'm buckling up, bro.
I don't want to die.
No, wait. If we're buckled up and we roll, that's like we're gonna be trapped. Like
I could unbuckle myself.
I'm just gonna go down here if we start dying.
that's what I'm. So we gotta figure something out here.
I'll buckle up, big sure I don't fucking. I'm about to lock my seat.
You go on the outside and I'll go on the inside, okay?
Yeah, bet.
We're not both fitting down there. So you hold this shit.
They did it! They did it! They did it! They did it. They just did this. We lost everything in the center console, but we. God, that's so scary. Yes!
I gotta go my seat up too.
Under window.
Something's on fire up here. You can't park there! It's almost literally dying.
Don't say I didn't, say I didn't warn ya. Always only one love if it's torture. Don't say I didn't, say I didn't warn ya.
So we just pulled up to Walmart. We're getting like 10 full paper plates and whatnot. And
We're actually
we
only
were
getting
just
styrofoam plates. No, we're
Styrofoam.
we're only getting styrofoam plates. We're not getting paper plates or tinfoil.
styrofoam plates. But we just realized how much of a chud lobby this is compared to Texas. Like, it's easy mogs. It's easy mogs. Ain't that right, Jada? Easy mogs. Everybody, this looks kind of weird here. If that makes sense. So we're at a gas station right now. We're really low on gas. And, we weren't really aware we needed money for this. We really think that through. But we've been scrounging. And gift cards that we found in seats and wallets and stuff. One gift card had nothing on it when we checked on the website. It helps. That's like a gallon. I don't know how much. Let's see, it's $3.17. It's like a gallon, if that. But we got a card right here. This card isn't even able to be put in anything because it doesn't have a card number or anything. So, but JB said there's a baddie in here, so we're gonna go check it out and see if there is indeed a baddie.
Pick that shit up. Pick that shit up.
We're trying to get all the gas.
Dude, I can feel
Yes, bro. Yes, bro. They're currently getting as much gas as they can now.
Good, we good? I think we're
We look poor. We look so poor. We got.
Moment of truth, we have to see how much we have. We have to see how much we get.
Let's see how much gas we got.
Make it there, bro. Did it move?
Wait, how much we got? How much we got?
We got damn near half.
Hey, we got gas. We got gas. We can make it.
Yeah, Porter's driving now.
Actually? Oh. Yeah. Well, we're finna get on our way. So we just lost the registration.
Wait for this, me. I did that. Oh, God, I swear to God, I swear to God, I did
We just lost the registration. We had the windows down. We were messing with cars. It flew out. And Brian was like, no!
like that. Oh, like rubber on it. No, swear to God, you did. No, I really did touch it.
Wait, check for it. See if it was.
Is that the registration? No, I didn't get pulled over. But Tristan rolled down the window.
Whoa, no, you did it. Do not put that on me. Do not put that on me. Hell no. Do not put that on me. I'm in the back seat, bro.
Okay, I was just making sure it wasn't anything important.
He's just gonna put it on you. Yeah, it's on Tristan.
You're going too, Dominic.
How many people get
So we're about an hour out, and we're in rural Arkansas, and
We're in the chicken coops.
It is, yeah, chicken coops. I mean, these people. Tell them about the hen houses.
Oh, the hen houses, basically, they were just little pieces of houses and as one house.
And it was people living in them. And out of nowhere, there's one big, huge nice house, just house maxing.
I guess we're just some mama's boys from Texas.
But yeah, we're just some good old boys from Texas. Yeah, what do we know? But yeah, we're about an hour. We're currently super high up in the mountains. One bad turn here means certain death for us because it is a really steep and really long way down these mountains. But it is beautiful, super beautiful. Very few people live up here, understandably. There's nothing up here, literally nothing. We're about 30 minutes out from camp. Yeah. Almost there. So we're really close to the camp right now, and we're on this dirt road, and we just found this beautiful waterfall. It's really pretty and blue. It's blue water. I think we're gonna swim. We're gonna try to swim. We can get down there safely. That's gonna be the challenging part, but it's really beautiful over here. Got Jeep Nation, baby. I want to jump in too. So we found out how to get down here. There's actually a staircase, a stone staircase, but we don't know how deep it is. We want to go cliff jumping off the cliff. There's some other people here too, but man, this is beautiful. I mean, God's creation, right? It's so pretty, so pretty. Just natural.
So we're about a couple thousand feet up in the air right
Yeah, we're really high up. But yeah, this is super cool, super
now. Me and
beautiful.
Marshall, and then we're gonna go swim.
So Brian just fell in the water. He's just trying to walk around. I'm just gonna go see how deep it is. Marshall's just chilling.
Imagine like SWAT just shows up. This is government property.
Had a good time at the water place. That was cool. We're about 6 minutes out.
Best time of my life, bro. Jumping that shit was the best time of my life.
Brian and Marshall swam and stuff.
Bro, this is for
Now we're 6 minutes out from the recreation area. And, there's this big, beautiful cliff. We have officially made it to the entrance of the campground. We don't know which way to go. Or JP doesn't, I guess. But, yeah, we made it. We are here. We made it to camp. We're setting up tent. Everybody met here, and some of them are down there in the creek swimming. But yeah, after much trial and error, we built the tent. It was rough, hard, rigorous. We're almost finished, but the gist of it is done. Looks awesome. And we went down and explored for a little bit. Me and Brian split off, came to camp, make some food. I had sausage and tortillas, and he had a PB&J tortilla. We're now cooking. I had a sausage and a tortilla, but we got potatoes now, and they're like not cooked at all. So
My agree to that business finish on.
I'll just bleep it out. I'm just gonna bleep out the curse words. But yeah.
Got that bit burnt.
And they only got their socks wet, so we're having to put it over the fire. It's actually not that bad. It's pretty good.
In the Ozarks, bro. Cars,
We got-
put this one back.
not
in
that
there.
bad.
This
Well-
broke off
well-
in my potato.
Jordan's wasn't cooked all the
My
way.
fork broke off.
Bro, potato ain't even cooked.
Jordan's wasn't cooked all the way. Mine was cooked great, and we got the steak seasoning, so it was really good.
I'm
Mine
gonna
was
eat the
good.
skin, so he's gonna die.
I ate the skin, so I guess I'm gonna die. It said it's poisonous.
Stage 4 cancer already.
So we're currently trying to break a tree now.
With the fucking shovel.
I took a few swings.
Wait, hold up.
She's a sturdy tree, but Tristan's making way. Marshall got a little tree, but it's not gonna be enough for firewood for the whole time. Tristan's making way.
Fuck me, bro.
I have a feeling Tristan's getting pretty close to timber here.
Fuck that stuff. No, I've almost gotten the pillow.
Timber!
I almost just killed myself. Did you see that?
Night one, me and Marshall finna go to sleep. In our tent, we got me, Marshall, Tristan, Brian, and JB. Got a good little setup here, got all our stuff here put up. Hopefully we don't get attacked by any bears or anything, but yeah. It's been fun so far. Hope tomorrow works out good, and yeah, guess we'll see you tomorrow. We're playing Rich and Poor Man in the tent because we got bored.
all these things. You don't know.
Day 2. I just woke up, decided to go take a walk around. Jordan's up too, he's in his hammock, but it got pretty cold last night and pretty scary. We got really scared because we thought something was out here, but it was just a trash can, so it was embarrassing, but yeah. Cold night. Other than that, it was good. We're getting ready for breakfast in the camp. Beautiful morning. Super pretty out here. We got Tristan making some sausage and bacon. We got eggs too. JB and Brian are still dead asleep, and Marshall in the tent. Yeah. But we are having trouble getting the fire started and everything, so we are trying to figure that out. Me and Tristan are building a fire, and Jordan just realized his shoes are literally cooked to a crisp. His laces are gone, and they literally won't work other than just slipping on. But we just finished eating breakfast. Now me, Marshall, Jackson, and Carson are trying to make our way across this river so we can climb that mountain. We just gotta find a way to cross, and it'll be barbecue chicken from there. Watch out for that rock. Across the river, bad news, I got super wet in the process. I slipped right there. But yeah, we made it. We're currently making a land bridge for our compadres. We're trying to get over and we're creating a bridge right here. JB's trying to do his own compadres across the river. We're now starting our ascent to the top of the mountain. We're about halfway up this mountain and air's getting thinner. Bro. And we're facing that.
I got a stick. You have nothing.
We're not totally sure we're gonna be able to pull this one off. Getting to the top of there.
They are.
But we're gonna try. We're gonna try. After a lot of life-endangering decisions and considerable stuff, we made it to about as far as me and JB and Tris are gonna go, although the others went a little further, but
A little.
we're
all the way up the top already, bro.
they're pretty much at the top, but we don't
That
see
wind does feel amazing.
that being possible for us, so we're just gonna go ahead and go back to camp. We made it pretty far though, and we climbed a lot. I just made it back to camp across the river. I don't think I'm cut out for this at all. It actually wasn't that bad, but I can climb now. I learned how to climb and how to go down without getting hurt and stuff. So that was good, but I just went back to camp and get some water. Brushed up a little bit. I got wet too, so I'm gonna dry off. Rest up and see what else we got in store. We lost Brian at camp. We're going to get service and we just found him.
Bro, we thought the Ozarks got you, bro.
Dude.
Let's go. So we just found Brian, but in the same time capacity, we just got stuck
Okay, we'll have to push
on
that.
the side of a mountain.
Come on, get up.
We're stuck on the side of a mountain.
Neutral fucking drive, dude. Alright, let's get up.
Yeah, we gotta get out. I'm going out this way. Don't go out that way, Brian.
Oh my God, we're
I'm
down.
in the back seat, bro.
We are bogged down. So we got stuck.
Don't worry, AAA's coming to save us, Porter.
AAA's coming, but I mean, we did everything we could to try to get it out.
Look at Rose Crocs, man.
I got in the mud, tried to push. I put rocks under the tires, but nothing helped. So I guess now, I mean, we don't even have any service. We have to use satellite, Apple satellite thing to call emergency services. And Lord knows how long it'll take them to get up here. We're literally on the side of a mountain in the Ozarks, so little problem here.
If you're an AA.
After AAA told us they couldn't come, having to get Searcy County Sheriff to get en route here. Some locals helped. It's contractors. Awesome. Great locals. That was awesome. Awesome people. That was stressful. We thought we weren't going to make it out. We're back on the road. Thanks to those guys. Complete godsend. Yeah, it was awesome. We have been all over northern Arkansas trying to find a gas station. We're now low on gas. We just got help from some the Arkansas Department of Transportation people, and they directed us to this place called Marshall. So we're gonna try to make it there so we can get some
Where'd they
gas.
direct us to first?
Well, first they directed us to this place.
So this
It's a gas station that only takes cash. Tell me how long it's been since you've seen one of those.
Dude, we need a fucking mount for this shit.
Brian had a headache, so we came to Walmart to get some ibuprofen.
And we made a base.
We made a little base.
You missed him getting in it. Hey, you're gonna ruin this digital
It's a
media
project.
man.
We got a little base here.
We're gonna put him in the base.
So we're gonna keep him in there, and we're gonna leave him in Arkansas.
So
We're thinking-
Marshall is here, as you can see, he's in there. Close your eyes, Marshall. Say hi.
made it to a gas station. It's a nice gas station. Finally made it. Took forever. Got gas. Got some snacks. There's a couple arguing right now. It's getting pretty heated. They're literally screaming at each other at the top of their lungs. So, yeah. That was a cute dog in the back, though. We left Walmart and came to the Mac. Everybody eating good.
Oh, somebody jizzed on my burger.
Whatever that means, right? But, yeah.
Having lost again.
My kids ever mentioned going camping in a
We're back from the gas trip and everything. We've just been chilling out at the camp. The other group
losing our
left.
minds.
So it's me, JB, Tristan, and Brian. And we're gonna play Richmond, poor man, but we got a pet now.
Butter.
Butter.
Let's play outside.
It's a butterfly / moth, and
Let's play outside.
it's just been chilling in the tent. All right, I'm coming. But yeah, we just finished day 2. We're finna go to sleep.
Vlog.
It's
Hey,
late
vlog.
enough.
This was the worst day of my life. If it's not the worst day of my life, it's close to one of them.
Bro, today was a good day.
Brian's gonna have an extensive story. We all have extensive stories about today. Eventful day, but yeah, it was.
My snow cone didn't have any filling in it.
Oh my.
Nobody cares.
Hey,
We
I
were
was lost
stranded
in
for
the- I was
30
lost in the wilderness.
Good night.
Bro, I'm gonna kill
We'll
him.
see y'all
I'm
tomorrow.
gonna kill him. He's
For
dead.
the descent
He's
back
dead.
to El Tejas. Day 3. We got it pretty early, so we could put everything up. So far, so good. It's gonna be me and JB driving today. We got most of the stuff up in the back. Really, all the stuff is the tent. And yeah, then we'll be on our way. We're all packed up and ready. We're finna head out. I'll probably never do this again. It was fun, but it's just not my thing.
It was pretty fun,
Yep.
but I had the worst day of my life.
Yeah, and we'll explain that when we get home.
Why is there an
Let's
eye
talk
popping
about
up?
We finally made it to Texarkana. We're getting gas here at a Circle K. Ride's been smooth. Can't complain. Getting to stretch our legs after about what, like 5 hours on the road, I think. Yeah, we're ready to be home. Made it home. I just made it back to my house. It was a ride, but we made it back all safe. It was a fun trip. Probably won't do it again. It's not my thing, but yeah, it was fun. Had fun with my guys. See y'all next time.